Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how cool Slide Optin is. It's basically a WordPress plugin that creates a slide opt-in on your pages inside of WordPress. And as you can see on this page that you're looking at right now, you can see the slide opt-in working right here. Now in this page we have just a promotion to get this product for cheaper, but it can be an opt-in or it can be anything you want here, so like images or text or videos or anything like that. Now, as you can see, when you first load the page, it automatically opens up for you, and then you can slide it back in. So here is the plugin itself. It's a WordPress plugin. You easily install it any way you would any other plugin. You install it, then from here you can create new slide opt-ins. So basically, I'll create a new one just a test. So testing slide opt-in. And then from here, you have a really nice dashboard that you can manage your leads that you get from the opt-in, your copy for the actual slide opt-in itself, the success copy, so what's shown after the opt-in, the design settings, just quick, just go here and choose some design settings for how the opt-in looks, and then here is time of reveal, so you can have your opt-in reveal at certain times. For example, if I wanted to do it for 2 seconds when someone loads the page, you put the seconds here as in milliseconds. You can also put in your HTML code for your autoresponder, so you can integrate Aweber, eye contact, and that sort of thing easily by doing it here. We will have tutorial videos on how to actually do all this stuff once you order the product. I just want to show you some examples we have here. So we have two examples here. So what you want to do once you create your opt-in, so I have one here, it's called Page Tester. What you'd want to do is you go to your pages, create a page, and then at the side here you can see where it's Add Slide Opt-in, and then it gives you all the opt-ins that you have created. So this basically what you can do is you can create an opt-in page or opt-in slide opt-in for any page inside your WordPress install that you have. So I'm just going to click on Page Tester, Update. Now, so here's what my site looks like, and then if I go to Sample Page, as you can see here, there's a tab here, and it's black, and here is this opt-in. The cool thing about this slide opt-in is that it actually slides the actual content of your website over so that you can actually see the opt-in here. And why that's cool is because it's a two-part visual effect. For first of all, this comes in, and then that actually moves over. So it's a really nice way to actually get attention for offers, as you can see on the way on the sales page here. And if I just wait a second, it's going to slide open. As you can see, it slides open, everything slid to the left, and it looks really nice. And you can, toggle it back and forth, which is just a really nice effect for your opt-ins and for your promotions. So here's what an opt-in page looks like. All this stuff is editable. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to edit this real quick so you can see it. I go back here, go back to my page tester. So as you can see, you can create as many slide opt-ins as you want for as many pages as you want. And in a second, I'll show you how you can do that. Have this set up for any one opt-in for your entire website. So here you can see there's my leads. So I can export my leads into a CSV file if I want to. Here is the copy that I have, and here's a success copy. So if I go here, I'm going to change the background style. So I'm just going to change it to a gray, and then I'm going to change the top bar to a nice green, and the button's going to be red. And I'm going to and for example, if you want to show like what we have here, where it's an image, what you would do is you go to the opt-in form style, and you can choose show name only, or show name and email, show only email, or hide the form. Hide the form will show it, but it won't show the form at all. I'm just going to put only email, and then for my tab reveal, I'm just going to make it green. Go up here, and I'm just going to make it slide in after 1 second. So in milliseconds, that's 1,000 milliseconds for 1 second. Now if I reload the page here, in 1 second, as you can see, it's slided open, and here is my opt-in. Of course, you can add all the copy that you want here, and I'm just going to put in my email here, email whatever, and then you can see now it displays a thank you message. Obviously, this would be a better thank you message, that whatever you want. And you get the stats here. So on your dashboard, you get the stats of how many opt-ins, how many times this has been revealed, and how many opt-ins you have. So if I reload the page here, you can see now I have 2 opt-ins and 11 opt-ins or reveals. And what I can do, for example, this only shows up on this page. So if I go back to my home page here, the pop-up or the slide opt-in doesn't no longer shows only when I go to the sample page on the page that I have selected. What if I want this to be on every page? So for example, if I go back to my dashboard here, you can see there's a feature called Global Opt-in, and there's a drop down a list of all the pages or the opt-in pages that you have created. What you want to do is you click on the one that you want. So for example, page tester. Now what this would do is any page on your blog here, the slide opt-in will show, and it will also override any other pages you have. So for example, now that I'm on the home page, it opens up. Now if I go here and go to this blog post, and it opens up. Obviously what you'd want to do if you have something like this on every page, you probably wouldn't want it to slide open every time automatically, just because it can kind of get annoying for someone going through your site. But if you just have this tab here, people are going to be like, well, what's this tab do? Click on it and then it reveals an opt-in. So you can see it's really, really neat, and you just go ahead and you turn to none if you don't want the any global opt-in. So if I change that now, as you can see, it's gone now, and if I go back to the sample page, it will slide open. So you can see it's a really nice way to get attention. Let's say you want to use this on a website that's not on WordPress. What you can do here is you go to your page, you click on Edit, and at the very bottom here you can see this embed code. So what you want to do is you want to go down here, grab all this code down here, and then paste this at the bottom of the page. For example, this page right here is not on WordPress. So what I did was I created it on a WordPress install, copied and pasted the code at the footer. For example, I'm just going to go to the source here. And what you want to do is you want to paste it in right before the end body tag. So for example, all this content here is the content pasted from here. And as you can see, it works quite nicely. So you can have this on any pages that you want. For any page that you have, just copy and paste it and put it. You can even put on a different WordPress installs if you want to. Now for this great deal, we have for $9 you can get the developer's license and everything. You can use it for all your clients and all that stuff.